Hi guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to use the new formula called Xlookup. So I'll be showing you how to use Xlookup to get your values. So right now, if you see in this sheet, we have our quantity, we have all others information, but we don't have the selling price and the cost price, but we have the quantity, the other. So we need to have the selling price and the cost price. So right now, if you look in this product, this is where we have our selling price and our cost price. So let's use Xlookup to generate that. So to get our selling price, we are going to say equals to Xlookup, right? Our lookup value is the product because that is what we are looking for. So we are giving Excel the product to help us generate the selling price for each of the products. So now our lookup array is this. So you should look for the product in this sheet, right? Comma. So I'll need to lock down this column. So I will use absolute reference. So I'll just press function F4 to lock it down. Now our return array is in this product also, so we want it to return the selling price. So we want it to return the selling price for us. So I'll just highlight this and press function F4 to lock it down. Then I'll close my bracket and press enter. So you see it's going to automatically generate the selling price for us. So let's do the same for the cost price. So I'll just say equals to Xlookup. So our lookup value is this, comma. Our lookup array will be this place. So we are still looking for the product. I will just copy it down, highlight it down, sorry. After highlighting it, I press function F4 to lock it down, comma. Then our return array is right here. We need the cost price, so I will just copy it down, right? So after that, I will lock it down, function F4 to lock it down. Then I'll close my brackets and press enter. So I'll just copy down the formula. So now this is the latest version instead of using VLOOKUP. So this latest version, now let me explain some things for you right in the latest version of Xlookup. So if I press equals to Xlookup, you see the first thing that we have is our lookup value, right? Our lookup array, our return array. So with Xlookup, you don't have to start looking for column index number. You just select the lookup array where Excel is going to see what you are looking for and what you want it to return. That is a return array. So if the value is not found, that is this, the next thing, if not found. So let's say let me use this as an example for you. Now let me clear this phone number, Ctrl Shift down arrow to clear it, like clear this. Now if you look at it, you'll see some of these things are saying loading, which means this phone number are not there. So if you look at this VLOOKUP, you'll see I use if error VLOOKUP, but with Xlookup you don't need to use if error or if NA VLOOKUP for this. So Xlookup can just help you look for it. That is number one advantage of Xlookup. Then another advantage of Xlookup over VLOOKUP is VLOOKUP looks only from left to right. That is why they call it vertical lookup. So it looks only from the left. That is, your lookup value must be at the left. Then your return array must always be at the right side. So if this is your lookup value, it must always be at the left. Then what you want to return must always be at the right. But with Xlookup, no matter where your lookup value is, it doesn't matter. So you can look from right to left or from left to right. So now let me show you this one. If the value is not found, so Xlookup, our lookup value now, so we want to use it to get the phone number. So our lookup value will be this. So this is what we are looking for. Then our return array, our lookup array will be here. So this is what we are looking for. So we are looking for the customer ID, so we want it to return the phone number. So that is our return array. So I'll click on column B. That's what I want it to return for me. So after clicking on return array, so now the next one is if not found. That is, if the value is not found. If the value is not found, what should Excel write? So if not found, instead of using if error or if nav lookup, now automatically Xlookup already has this one. So if the value is not found, just put a quotation right there. So I want to write loading. So loading. Okay, let me write it in all caps. So loading. So I want to write it in all caps. Then I'll close my quotation. Now after that, you have your match mode. So if you remember, in VLOOKUP we have exact match. That is where you choose true or false, right? You have your exact match. So if it is exact match, you choose false in VLOOKUP. But this one in Xlookup, you have exact match, which is you input is 0 if you want exact match. If you want exact match or next smaller item, you put 1, right? If you want exact match or next larger item, you put exact match or next smaller item, you put -1. If you want exact match or next larger item, you put just 1. And if you are using wildcard character, you put 2. So that is for the exact, that is for that one, that is for the match mode. So for this one, I want exact match, so I'll just put 0 right here. So comma. Now how do you want the search mode to be? Do you want it to search from the first to the last, or search from the last to the first, or you want binary search? So you want it to sort it in ascending order first before searching it, or you want to set it to sort it in descending order before giving you the answer. So that is that about Xlookup. Now I don't need to put this on. All those one are optional, including this if not found. So all these ones are optional. So if I just close my brackets now and press enter, then if I copy down this phone number, so some of this customer does not have phone number, you see I have loading right here, but with VLOOKUP you don't have that. You just have to use if error or if nav VLOOKUP. So that is that about that. I'll see you in another video. So let me know in the comment section the formula that you're having issue with, so I'll talk about it in my next video.